Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I know I've had this truck for a while, but it's time to show it off to the YouTubes. Hey, that's crooked. It could stay crooked till I fix it. We're not going to show the truck yet. Need a new door. But we're going to show all the snow. It's snowing. Okay. Okay, I'm going to get some hints. It's a Ford. It's small. Gonna wait 10 seconds. Well, if you guys guessed Ford Ranger, you are correct. There it is. Gotta correct some snow. Okay, so my Ford Ranger. Let me just make sure there's no stuff that can't be in here. Yep, there is one thing that cannot be in here. Okay, we're good. Alright, so I'm going to set you guys up here. And you guys are going to watch. I'm going to move the truck. Got a nice start on her. Hopefully you could see me, but here it is. Tire's looking a little low right there. Small exhaust, that's gonna be changed fast. Ugh. Oh, let me check. Alright, we're good. There's my 2 sandbags. Small tailgate. Does that all the time. Tonneau covers that I hate. Another good shot. You guys are probably wondering, what does the 38 mean? That's my cousin's race car number. Okay, we're good. Here's the interior. And the mess. Hold on, let me put this in. Okay, there's the engine. New battery. 3.0 liter. V6. I've only owned V6s, I haven't owned a V8 yet. But I will own a V8 sometime in my days. Alright. So that's the truck. Go inside. Alright, so that's the truck. This is the truck video. See you guys next time. Bye. Dang it, didn't end.